Welcome back. I hope you're feeling awesome. As a part of this video, we'll understand what is software and what are the different components of the software. First of all, what is software? Software is a generic term for organized collections of the computer instructions. So whenever we talk about a collection of computer instructions, we can regard that as a software. Another way of looking at a software is a set of instructions written in computer code that tells a computer how to behave or how to perform a specific task. That is a software. But why do we really need software? First and foremost thing is, if I ask you a question, do we really know the language of the computers? No, we don't know. If I say 010101, would you understand what I'm talking? Not really. That is where software comes into picture. As we understand computers, the hardware part of the computers can only understand binary language. But we as human beings cannot talk the language of the computers. But we know we do need a computer to get our work done. If we want to get our work done, we need to use a software as a medium to get our work done. I hope it's clear. Why do we need software? What are the different types of the software? At a very, very high level, we have system software. The second one being application software. Let us understand both of them in bit detail. What is system software, by the way? System software is responsible for controlling, integrating, managing the individual hardware components. System software provides the basic number of task-specific functions of the computer so that other software and the users of the system see it as a whole functional unit without having to be concerned with the low-level details. Low-level details being transferring a data to a memory or rendering the text for a display. In order to ensure this, the system software will tackle all these low-level details like transferring a data to memory, rendering the text to display. All these things are taken care of by a system software. System software majorly consists of an operating system and some of the fundamental utilities like file managers, text editors, user authentication, and different tools to manage the whole different aspects of the system. What is application software? Application software is nothing but a small collection of the programs that work closely together to accomplish a task. It is used to accomplish the specific task other than just running the computer system. So in the system software, we understood that system software helps to run the computer, having all these aspects taken care like user authentication, managing the different tools and all those things. But if you want to perform any specific task, on top of that, you need to build an application software. For example, Uber, right? Or Ola. So these are the application softwares which are built to link the drivers with the riders. That is built on top of a system software. As I said, it is used by the user to accomplish specific tasks. It can be using a Excel sheet, MS Word. So all these things are application software which runs on top of the system software, accomplish specific tasks. Having understood the different aspects like hardware, system software, and application software, let us see how they are related together. Are they cousin to each other? Are they mother-in-law, father-in-law to each other? Not really. Let us understand how they are related. Look at this beautiful diagram. It is simple, yet informative. So in the center, we do have hardware. We understood the different aspects of the hardware in a different video, like CPU, RAM, disk, input devices, output devices, and all those things. In order to handle the different aspects of the hardware, we do have a system software. Mostly it is an operating system and other utilities. If we want to accomplish specific tasks of our own need, then we would be building a application software on top of the system software. Means in order to build an application software, we need to have a system software. In order to have a system software, we need to have a hardware. Wonderful. Isn't it interesting to know how hardware, system software, and application software work together? I hope you enjoyed this session. You have a wonderful time. Thank you.